Imagine a world millions of years ago teeming with life unlike anything we see today. This is the Mesozoic era, the age of the dinosaurs. A time when these colossal creatures reigned supreme, their footprints etching deep into the Earth's history, a testament to their dominance. From the thunderous steps of the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex, the king of the predators, to the peaceful grazing of the enormous Brachiosaurus, the herbivore giant, the world was their stage. These dinosaurs, along with their diverse relatives, thrived in a world vastly different from ours, sculpted by nature to survive and prosper. Their adaptations were as varied as they were fascinating. Some dinosaurs, like the Triceratops, wielded large horns and frills for defense, while others, like the Velociraptor, possessed sharp claws and keen intelligence for hunting. And let's not forget the pterosaurs, the winged relatives of dinosaurs, ruling the skies with their impressive wingspans, or the aquatic reptiles, like the plesiosaurs, who made the deep oceans their home, far from the competition on land. These giants ruled the earth, but their reign was not to last forever. Every dynasty, no matter how powerful, faces a downfall. And for the dinosaurs, the end was as dramatic as their rule. But that's a story for another time. For now, let's marvel at the dawn of the dinosaurs, a time when these fascinating creatures roamed our planet in all their glory. The Earth began to change even before the fatal blow was dealt. Our planet, once a paradise for these colossal creatures, was experiencing stirrings of change that subtly started to affect the dinosaurs' habitat. The lush green landscapes, teeming with life, were occasionally interrupted by plumes of smoke billowing from the depths of the Earth. Yes, volcanic activities were on the rise. These volcanoes weren't your average fire-breathing mountains. They were part of what we now know as the Deccan Traps in what is present-day India. These were some of the largest volcanic eruptions in our planet's history, spewing vast amounts of lava and gases into the atmosphere. The repercussions were dire. The skies darkened as a thick layer of ash and dust blanketed the atmosphere, leading to a significant drop in temperature. This dramatic shift in climate began to alter the very fabric of life on Earth. The lush vegetation that our herbivorous friends feasted on began to dwindle. The predators, in turn, found their food sources shrinking. Life, as the dinosaurs knew it, was growing harsher. The survival of the fittest was becoming a survival of the luckiest. Yet, even as life on Earth was grappling with these changes, an even greater threat was looming, unbeknownst to the inhabitants of our blue planet. And then, from the vast reaches of space came the Cataclysm. An asteroid miles wide was hurtling towards Earth. Picture this colossal chunk of rock and metal, blazing through the cosmos at unimaginable speeds. It had one destination: our planet. When it struck, the impact was cataclysmic. Imagine an explosion 1 billion times more powerful than the atomic bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. This colossal impact created the Chicxulub crater, a massive depression over 100 miles wide and 12 miles deep, located in what is now the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. In the immediate aftermath, the Earth convulsed. The force of the impact triggered global earthquakes and tsunamis, while the ejected debris ignited wildfires. A plume of dust and ash was hurled into the atmosphere, blotting out the sun for months, possibly even years. This is no mere science fiction. The evidence supporting this theory is etched into the geological record. Scientists have discovered a global layer of sediment deposited right at the Cretaceous-Paleogene boundary, approximately 66 million years ago. This layer is rich in iridium, a rare element on Earth's surface, but abundant in asteroids and comets. This iridium layer is a telltale signature of our celestial assailant and a timestamp of the catastrophic event that led to the downfall of the dinosaurs. But the devastation was far from over. The immediate aftermath was just the beginning. The true extinction event, the one that sealed the fate of the dinosaurs, was unfolding in the prolonged darkness and cold that followed the impact. The impact plunged the world into chaos. In an instant, the fiery collisions sent a shockwave around the globe, igniting wildfires far and wide. Dust and debris were hurled into the atmosphere, forming a dense, dark cloud that shrouded the planet, blocking the life-giving sunlight. This sudden darkness had a catastrophic domino effect on the Earth's ecosystems. Plants, the bedrock of food chains, withered and died without sunlight for photosynthesis. Herbivorous dinosaurs, left without their primary food source, faced starvation. This scarcity rippled up to the top of the food chain where mighty carnivores found their prey dwindling. Global temperatures plummeted as the sun's warmth was kept at bay, leading to what scientists refer to as an impact winter. This cold, dark world was a stark contrast to the warm, lush environments dinosaurs had thrived in. The drastic and rapid change in climate was too much for these magnificent creatures to adapt to. The aftermath of the asteroid impact was a prolonged period of struggle, where survival became increasingly difficult. The dinosaurs, once the dominant species on Earth, found themselves ill-equipped to handle the harsh conditions. Over time, they slowly faded away, their roars of dominance silenced by the relentless march of time. The world that emerged from the dust and ashes was a drastically different one. In the aftermath, new life began to thrive. Amid the devastation, small-bodied creatures like mammals and early birds found ways to survive. These humble survivors, unlike their colossal predecessors, were remarkably adaptable. Their small size allowed them to burrow underground and scavenge for food, tricks that were crucial in the hostile post-impact world. Over time, these creatures evolved, their descendants claiming the vacant throne left by the dinosaurs. They diversified into countless species, filling every niche on land, in the sea, and in the air. It's a testament to nature's resilience and ingenuity, always finding a way to flourish even in the harshest conditions. From the ashes of the dinosaurs' world, a new era was born. So, what exactly killed the dinosaurs? Our journey through time has revealed a catastrophic asteroid impact as the prime suspect, with perhaps a helping hand from massive volcanic eruptions. This cataclysmic event sparked a global winter, altering the Earth's ecosystems drastically. The giants of the Mesozoic era, unable to adapt to this sudden shift, met their untimely end. But amidst the chaos, smaller creatures, the underdogs of the era, found a way to survive. This event, as devastating as it was, paved the way for the rise of mammals, and ultimately, us. It's a stark reminder of the power of nature and the resilience of life. The mystery of the dinosaurs' demise is a fascinating tale of life's resilience and adaptability in the face of unimaginable chaos.